Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have y and first derivative of y, so we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that 1 minus 2s next to y, including the positive side, that is for integrating factor. The integration of number 1, we have s. The integration of 2s, we have s squared. This one I can put like this. That means we multiply both sides by this one. So this one and this one we simplify, and that is about number 1. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So if we look carefully about this one, we have first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one we have first derivative of b multiplied by a. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have y e to the power of s e to the power of negative s squared. Now I will concentrate on this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to negative s squared. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have negative 2s ds. Because we don't have negative number 2 in here, so we divide both sides by negative number 2. So this one we change by u. S ds we change by this one. And this one we have like this. About u, that is about this one. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. Now we have the condition. That means when s equals to number 0, y equals to number 2. And now we put number 0 cone here, here, and here. Number 2 cone here. So this one we have number 1. This one we have number 1. And now I will put negative 1 over 2 go to the left. And this one, that is about 5 over 2. So I will put 5 over 2 cone here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.